task you will work in pairs. The task is to create minimum 2 advertising texts per team, per pair, which have to contain some legal problems. So you should put any legal problems to the advertising text, which could be connected with law of competition or law of consumer protection. If you would like any, you can choose. You have 15 minutes to prepare the task, and after that, pairs will present their outputs. As I mentioned, you should put as much legal problems as you can to the text, and others task during the presentation of your of pairs outputs to find and evaluate them. What we are waiting for that you show your output through a performance or a presentation or make a dialogue about it. Or if you would like, you can draw a picture or a poster. It's absolutely up to you. If it is clear, so start and work.
Okay, so you can see our commercial. It compares, for example, phones. You can see the Stone, Apple 3G, and Samsung also. In our commercial, we draw you that a Stone and an Apple 3G is not able to send an MMS and also not able for video recording. But the Samsung mobile phone can do this.
Stone cannot make a video call, or Apple 3G too, and Samsung can. The changeable memory cards contains the Samsung mobile phone, but the Apple 3G and the Stone not contains this.
Yes, the Stone hasn't got any touch screen, but the Apple 3G and Samsung has. I can tell you that the Samsung's touch screen is much more better than the Apple 3Gs.
And the last one is the crashing window. You can crash the window all of these phones and the Stone too.
Yes, so think about it and buy Samsung.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Anna Mária Bekös from Vodafone Company.
Hello, my name is Balázs Melko from Brand RT multinational corporation.
Yes, have you heard ever about our company called Vodafone Phone Company?
Vodafone?
No, Vodafone. It's the much more better thing than this. I would like to ask your company to use our phones and our cell phones and our company's services. If it's okay, I would like to tell you some words about us. Vodafone is much more better than, for example, T-Mobile or Telenor or Vodafone. Vodafone is a developed thing from Vodafone, and our referential our minute charge is much more cheaper and much more better. Would you like our offer?
Why is it good for us?
You can use our cell phones, for example, in a much more cheaper price. It would be good for you. And I can tell you one secret. We find out that, for example, iPhone will came out with iPhone 7, but our company invited a very good phone developer from iPhone, and our phones will be much more better, and it will be much more better than iPhone 7.
It was a great offer. I will accept it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Are there any problem?
Just lying.
Just lying.
Because there are many, these companies, it's very bad for Apple 3G, and I know I have a 3G, and I know that my phone is got MMS sending and video recording, video call, but the changeable memory cards didn't have, so it's true.
And also the misleading, when they mentioned the name of another brand. It's really
That's true.
I was never aware of the many possible functions a stone is incapable of compared to the Samsung. That, like comparing a stone and a Samsung mobile phone, it's two different markets, or can it be even called markets? You can't really compare a stone to a smartphone these days.
But is it illegal? Legal problem?
Well, it's very unorthodox, and it can be misleading for the customer that maybe they try to sell the stone in some way that but it's easy to pose a viewpoint on the customer that that a Samsung smartphone is better than a stone. That is a valid truth, and Apple 3G is kind of a, well, not left out of the loop, but it's underscored greatly.
Were there any hidden thing, legal problem? Did they find anything?
No, they find everything, yes. Yes. And maybe one more, that we choose those facts about the phones what iPhone is not able. So we find those 4 things what iPhone is not able, and just say these things, but not those what iPhone is able for.
I think 2 times that it's much more better, and also told a secret about iPhone, and I think it's not very fair. And maybe a lie.
Maybe the logo is same.
There were one more.
There
I
was
recognized one.
There was mention of an iPhone 7. I'm not really familiar where does this iPhone franchise is right now, but I don't think there is a 7.
Yes, only 5.
Is the future. There is one more thing.
Maybe this Vodafone company bought this guy from the iPhone company
Yes.
who told the secret out, and they prepared a much more better brand, and it's also a legal problem because when you left the company you have to sign a contract that for 3 years or 5 years you don't tell any secrets, so it's a huge problem if it happens. So.
Yeah. We buy the business partner. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What went well? We had been working as a team. We have made our works easily. We had lots of creative idea, and we could understand easily the tasks too. The time management was really good, but we have not enough time, and we can practice or develop our performance skills too. But we can't practice the performance of this task.
What did I learn? We are learning many type of misleadings as we think. If you're thinking maybe there are one word and there are star in the corner, and you are getting more information. For example, comparing for other products with your products, and try to focus only the strong things for your products, and you are maybe to forget the bad things. Wrong marketing tools, maybe this, as everyone is focusing in a wrong marketing tools, and try to give more from these tools, and we said it really edge of this maybe lying of the advertisement, and the respect of the rules. So it's very important we know that The company rules is very strict thing, and if you cheat it, maybe you may get a very hard punishment. What I want to put into practice, to tell the truth, it's in thinking the strategy. I can change it because if you are live for your customers, it can be the good strategy for a short terms. But if you want to build a long-term business connection with the customers, you have to tell a truth, and you have to give a high quality, because it is the only one way that is working in a business life. And the last thing is respect the customers. So you never let to lie for the customers. It's evidence. You have to concentrate the right things, but you have to write what is the wrong with your products. So it was the task 1. It is the post-control. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I ask from the group that, would you like anything to add?
Yeah, I like this advertising task, and I think this task was very good for that we were able to catch the main things, the main mistakes, what we can do, and how we can do or find legal problems. And it was very good that almost all of the teams find the 4 main things. For example, stalling someone's name, or comparing companies and using their name, and telling bad things about them. And all of the teams used these in their performances.
Okay, thank you.
So it was good.
Thank you.
Yes, and in the future, if we should do some marketing to companies or to our company, we will know that what shouldn't we do in that. And so with this wrong marketing tools to learning them, we will know that what shouldn't do in the marketing.
I think because our theme for today is about the corporate laws and the business laws. So I think it's very important to be aware about the laws aspect, like where is the line, and how we can avoid it to be illegal. And I think this is also very important in advertisement. What is there are maybe many ways to say or to promote your product, and what is the misleading way, what is the right way, and in the right way how we still can promote our product very well. So this is very important. Even the misleading way can make a big sale, but it's illegal. So we should be aware about that.
Okay.
Yes, and it's maybe make you more clever as a customer also. Because if you see an advertisement on television, you will know that, okay, I shouldn't believe in this because I learned that it's something wrong.
Yes, and I agree with this, because the customers doesn't like if the companies say you are silly, and they are not. The respect is important.
Okay. So, thank you very much.